So a truck just left. So this is something you don't see every day. But this is what happens when people trust you and you negotiate. So I got 200 returns, B-stock basically, of the car audio. It's a little 300 watt 2-channel amp. It's got high pass, low pass. Hang on, let me let this truck go by. So it's what happens when you live on a busy street. Yeah, $45 each shipped. They're fantastic amps. I love them. You can run them in tri-mode. It even says it on the box. I'll go over that with you guys. That used to be an old trick that Rockford showed people how to do. And it took me a couple years to figure out how they were able to do it. And there's a great little lesson to be learned. Even if you're an experienced installer, because I had an experienced installer that I trained that he didn't know. It's not even a trick, it's just simple basic electronics, but he never went through that course, and so he didn't know. But anyways, I gotta get these inside and start selling the fuck out of them because I gotta make weekly payments. Anyways, I love you guys. I will talk to you later. Again, this is the dual, which model is this? XPR-52. They're fused at 30 amps. They do 300 watts RMS. They have high pass, low pass, speaker level input, RCA level input. So that way you can use them for highs or lows. And I'll basically be pairing these up with a single sealed box, 12-inch or 10-inch. Actually, yeah, no, I only have sealed 12-inch boxes from Recoil, and then a Recoil 12-inch subwoofer. Yeah, the RW series. And we'll do it for like right around 120 bucks and throw in the wire kit as well. So, and that's something that you can do in your local area too. I just want to help you get hooked up and help people and undercut Best Buy or whoever this came from. I love finding out. A lot of times we would get a lot of returns from Best Buy out of Rockford, because fucking Best Buy used to just like one or two, like people, the consumer would fuck up a couple of amps and then they would just go, these are defective. And it's like, how is a whole pallet of 100% QC amplifiers defective? But if you want to please Best Buy, that's the kind of hoops you had to jump through. And so finally, Rockford had enough of Best Buy. It was like, fuck you. And what's funny is a lot of vendors go through too. I remember Fierce Audio used to be in Best Buy. That is Larry Van Sickle of Recoil. And it's the same flat pack boxes that I'm using now that they tried to sell through Amazon and realized that the shipping was going to be too much. And also just people get a box and they don't know what to do when you have to put it together yourself, even though it comes with instructions. But that's the way the market is. So I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.